Hey guys, we're back today with 3 quick questions. We got John Davis on the channel. John, can you let the people know what you do?
I make custom knives, and now I'm retired. I used to do, but I've been doing this for like 40 years now.
Okay, and where can they find you on social media if they want to purchase anything?
Well, I got my website up. It's custom-knifemaker.com.
Okay, and are you going to be here for all 3 days at Blade Show?
Oh yeah, got to be here all 3 days.
Alrighty, cool man. Just real quick, can you tell the people how long it took to make this dagger right here?
This dagger here has got a lot of custom work into it, and I made all the components individually. Probably about close to 100 to 120 hours of work into it. That's to manufacture the Damascus before I even start making the knife.
Wow, impressive. Alrighty guys, check John out, and hey John, thanks for being on the show.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, thanks. Alright guys, check out this table right here. Pretty cool. Look at this. Alright. Check this out right here, man. Pretty nice. Alright. Go like one by one for you. Look at that. Pretty cool, man. Check them out. Alright. Pretty nice.
I make my own Damascus, forge everything myself.
Wow.
Do the leather
Awesome.
work, everything.
Wow. Jesus. How long have you been doing it for?
About 40 years.
Wow. Impressive. It looks great. Yeah. Wow. How long did this take you?
That was about 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Okay.
How well the fire pattern shows up. It shows up.
Oh yeah. Look, you see it looks nice. Look at this stuff right here. Look at this. Yeah, it's something, right, Mom? Yeah. Definitely. Yeah, very nice. Come check them out at the Blade Show, guys. Wow. They got a bunch of stuff here, guys. Gotta come check them out. Look at this right here. The dress tactical folder. The Harpin buoy. Check them out. It's impressive, guys. Been doing this for 40 years. You gotta check them out. Look at this one, man. This is nice. Let's push that in. Nah, I like this one, man.
Oh my God. Wow, war contest.
Yeah, these are nice.
What did you call me?